G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here for Your Next Car In Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a walk around tour of our 2021 Isuzu D-MAX in an SX 4x4 automatic dual cab. Vehicle is fitted with heaps of features. I'll try and point out as much as I physically can as I walk around the video, but as you'll see from the front of the car, it presents really well. We do these videos to give you a really good indication of the car you're looking at with us here at Your Next Car In Officer. It presents really well. I apologise, it's a little bit wet. We've had inclement weather the last couple of days, but as you'll see from the videos we walk our way around, the rain won't stop you from seeing how good a quality of this unit is as well. So we'll start from the driver's door. Mirror scalp, really clean condition. It does have a set of Isuzu side steps fitted to the vehicle as well. Now I do have the ute running in the video, so you can hear it run throughout the video. And as you'll see, hopefully there, you can see that the vehicle has been fitted with window tint as well. Coming to your front guard section, really clean condition. Sorry about the truck going past. A set of aftermarket, I think they're called King off-road alloy wheels. Really good set of tyres fitted to them as well. Really good quality tyres and plenty of tread left on those tyres as well. To the front end of the vehicle, it does have a replacement steel Bullbar, so your plastic bumper bar will be beneath there, but that has got the replacement steel Bullbar there. It does have underbody protection, which you may or may not see just there. So underbody protection fitted with the front fog lights as well, and your running light or your daytime LED bar there as well. So really good quality Bullbar. It does set this ute off, gives it a nice aggressive look as well. So really clean condition. Around the front steel bumper replacement Bullbar as well. Bonnet section, really clean condition. I apologise about the water. Again, it's shocking weather. It's just starting to rain again, so that's really handy. But we'll continue on with the video anyway. To the front guard section, beautiful condition again. And again, your KO off-road alloy wheels in great order. Tyres are in fantastic condition as well. We'll head along the passenger side of the vehicle. Again, really clean condition throughout. Window tint fitted. Again, passenger front door. And then your Isuzu genuine side steps are in great condition again. Coming to the back door or the passenger side rear door. Again, really clean condition. Absolutely phenomenal. Paintwork sensational. But basically, it is about the body. So you will see some remnants of the stickers. I reckon we will be able to get that off. Being an aluminium box, we'll have a buff at that in the next couple of days to try and get that off. But hopefully that'll come off. But again, it's nothing major to the ute. You'll probably sign right it yourself if you purchase a vehicle anyway. Again, your alloy wheels and tyre condition are fantastic. But as you see, that aluminium box on a flat alloy tray, so no sides on the tray. That box is fitted on the outside there, the exterior of the tray itself, but really clean condition. Again, to open that box, just one-handed. Hopefully I can do it one-handed. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. So interior of the box, really clean condition. Again, all the photos of the box will be on the website as well. But your interior shelving, really handy for that tradie, plumber, gas fitter, carpenter, whatever you may be. Really perfect to fit all your tools, gas bottles, whatever it may be. Really handy, this style of box, because it is quite universal. It does have the roof rack fitted, which I'll come around the other side and show you. It does have the Conduit pipe there as well, which you can put your Conduit piping in as well. Really handy for ladders and all that normal scenarios that people will pop up there. Or if you're going camping, pop-up camper, you can pop in the back as well. Again, rear door. Again, all these will be photoed on the website. And also tow bar fitted in the rear with a 7-pin flat plug. And also does have the rear trundle drawer for shelves, so shovels and brooms and such. So again, all the photos of the trundle drawer will be on the website as well. So really handy. Not a cheap box, this one. This one will be quite expensive, especially with trundle drawers and such. Absolutely fantastic condition. Coming to the driver's side rear end, again, the aluminium box is in great order. That's probably a better sight of your roof rack, which is fitted. So really handy, because some of the boxes won't have that Tradesman roof rack on the top. This one also does as well, so it gives you a bit more flexibility, workman style. Interior wise, again, really clean condition. All your shelving there as well. You got your rubber mat on the floor there, just for extra protection. Phenomenal condition. But like I said, perfect for that budding tradie, plumber, gas fitter, carpenter, whatever it may be. Your rear alloy on that driver's side rear. Shut that box again. and then we'll continue on with the paint condition on the exterior. Rear door on that driver's side, absolutely phenomenal condition. Just the base of that roof rack, just to give you an idea, the roof rack's in great condition, no damage on the roof rack whatsoever. Really clean condition. There's the rain in the background. But your single cylinder there for all Conduit to be put in, really handy. But it has been fitted out really well for the previous owner, so it has been looked after really well condition-wise as well. We'll take you through the interior, give you a good indication of interior as well. It does have a set of rubber mats, which you can take them out. Sorry, a little bit water there just from me opening and shutting doors and washing cars this morning, and my wet footprints. But as you see, door cards in great condition on that passenger side. Behind the seats, again, really clean condition. That's the buzzer to say I've left the boxes open on the rear, but we'll shut those boxes in one tick. But as you see, really clean condition. Over to your door card on that passenger side, and then back with your seating. Again, really clean condition. Beautiful condition. So give me one tick and I'll just shut those rear boxes and we'll continue on with the video. Alright, so open the driver's door. Now that I've shut the rear doors on the canopy or the Tradesman box, so that buzzer won't go off. So at least you know it does have a buzzer to say your boxes are open. If you're working and such, if you forget to shut them, that buzzer will go off to give you an idea that they're open. Again, your rubber floor mats. Really clean condition. Interior wise, really clean throughout. And to your passenger side, again, really clean condition. Just a great looking ute. But like I said, it has been cared for really, really well. Alright, we'll jump inside the car and give you the exact kilometres. The ute has travelled as we speak. So as we speak, current kilometres are 170,260. So really good kilometres. Coming back to your stereo system, your controls for your stereo systems. You've got your volume control here, your Bluetooth buttons on the right hand side. Over to your right hand side does have your cruise control and also does have the adaptive cruise control, so really handy in traffic. Coming across to your main cluster, again, all these photos will be on the website. So you do have Bluetooth, AM, FM radio, of course. Reverse camera will come up automatically as soon as you select reverse, so really handy with reverse camera. Beneath there is your air conditioning and heating, and down beneath there is your four-wheel drive dial, USB ports and 12-volt plug as well. Coming back to your transmission, just your automatic transmission, and then handbrake, cup holders and such. So really, really good looking ute. Fantastic value with that aluminium Tradesman box on the rear. Your KO off-road alloy wheels fitted, your replacement steel Bullbar, which is your bumper bar replacement, but just a great tough looking utility. Best thing is 4x4 and automatic, and I don't think it'll last long. These Isuzus for us in the current shape do sell very, very quickly. So if you have any questions moving forward, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at the dealership. Speak to either Andrew or Glenn. We'll both look after you very well. But hopefully we've found the right Isuzu ute for you. Have a great day. G'day there, it's Glenn.